Okay. So, you guys are not gonna believe it. It was so hot today that I actually swam in the pool. I never do that. Ever. It's just never been my thing. I don't enjoy swimming in pools. I don't know why. I'm weird. I'm pretty sure we all know this by now. So the fact that I swam in the pool is absolutely wild. Just saying. Then you know it's hot. Hot. Okay, Adoki. Hey, Chris. Oh. How's it going? How's the trading been going? We haven't been able to chat recently. How are you finding it? Anything in particular you're struggling with? Out of, just out of general curiosity. It's always find it interesting. It's always nice to see traders doing well, don't get me wrong. But when they're not doing well, I'm kind of curious about what's happening. What happened? Why is it not going well? Is it just the price action? Just lots of questions. Hey, Rip. Yeah, Rip, it was too hot. I literally got home and I was like, I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, that's not clean at all. I had to jump in the pool. It was way too hot. So I'm actually still in my bikini, in all honesty. I literally hopped in the pool, hopped out, and here we go. It is. It is hot. It is still hot? Is that what you're asking? Point is, I was dying. It was too much. It was way too much. But yeah, so this is like the first time ever that I've jumped in the pool. I don't actually like swimming. Not my thing, but it was just that hot that I said, nah, screw it. Screw it. We're doing it. Only 3 months. Perhaps now I haven't gotten funded. I'm about 60 evals, but in that time I have 2 active evals at the moment. Which that sounds about right. Me and you sound like we're basically on the same page, and I'm not gonna lie, it feels nice. It feels nice to know that there's someone else out there who's dealing with the same. Well, yeah. Again, what are the main things you are struggling with? You don't have to tell me, obviously, but kind of out of curiosity. What's the main thing? Only True Trader. What up, Buttercup? How you doing? Are we ready for... I don't even know. Are you gonna try hop in on a trade? Let's see if the price action's any better than this morning. Oh well. Right, just oh well. Rip, are you ready? Have you gotten any trades in yet? Oh, goodness gracious me. Okay. No? Moving on. Ace Hood, what's up? Tamid, how's the market? I mean, this morning was... yeah. Morning was a little bit slow. But it's okay. Dark Angel! Sorry, that took me a minute. How's it going, Dark Angel? What happened, right? No, highlight, it's just that freaking hot that I said screw it and I hopped in the pool. I never, ever, ever swim. But I couldn't do it anymore. So here we are. I hopped in the pool. Mostly the fast movers. I came from 8 years of swing trading. SMC concepts, order block, main strategies, ATR trading, both good trading, but day trading on a 1 to 5 minute different. Oh, interesting, Witcher. That does make sense though. But Dark Angel, how are you doing? Are you taking the rest of the year off? What's your plan? Is it Swilson or is it S Wilson? Do I trade full time? Not quite just yet. I want to, that's the goal. That is the goal. But not just yet. Got a trade like 7 a.m. EST and it was a whoop whoop. Yay! It was too good for me not to take since I had a bullish bias from the 4-hour in. Oh, only true trader. Whoop whoop indeed then. Well done. That's amazing. Was it like your perfect setup? I'm kind of jelly. I could do with some. Well, I say that. I've had one trade. It was a womp womp, but it is what it is. There's London high. And London low. Asia high was taken. Okay. So where did you have it? At 7. You said 7. It showed up. What was your indication that it was going to go bullish? Only true trader? I'm always ready. Question is, am I? Rip. That's valid. Was that a dog? Tamid? What? Where? I mean, my dog does make lots of noise if that's what you're asking. Oh, Ace Hood, what app is this? So I'm using Project X. I'm using a prop firm. It just helps keep your capital. Basically, helps you not blow through your capital. Is it Jarmo? Jarmo, what's up? How are you? Sorry, I'm catching up on everything. Oh, enjoying the flu. Oh my gosh. So many people have the flu, Dark Angel. That sucks. I'm so sorry. I'm really, really sorry. Even me yesterday, I woke up and I was coughing and I was like, absolutely not. We're not doing this. No more trades for me this year. Nice. Are you just going to do some forward testing or are you taking a proper break? Sorry, this is for Dark Angel. Out of curiosity. Are you going to take a proper break or what's your plan? Nihal, I've been working on a script which auto maps out these highs and lows and such. Oh, interesting, Witcher. And is it working? Making big changes for 2017. Even with the. Oh, damn. Okay, Dark Angel. Interesting. Thanks, Rip. Oh, goodness gracious. Well, we traded into the 4-hour, of course. Yep. Then I looked for a point of interest on the 15-minute, which was the swing low swept. I got my entry, then bam. Love it. Getting out of Project X. They're closing all the props in Jan. Was it Jan or was it March? For some reason, I remember it being March. I'm gonna go find that email again. But yeah, I think I can then connect to Tradeovate and then just use TradingView again. So that's then fine. Oh, interesting. Wait, what? You moved over to Rhythmic Connections? I've never really heard of that. Rambo, what's up? You say 7 a.m. sell side. Hey, you and only true trader, nice. Ooh, Ripper's using his mod privileges. I love it. I love it. Nicely done, Rip. Oh, cheers, Tommy. Enjoy. Let's do this, people. For those of you, yes, I'm sporting the wet look. Sorry, I had to jump in the pool. It was too excruciatingly hot today. It was bad. It was bad. So I'm sorry. I look a little bit like a mess. At least you guys know I am human. I'm human. Hey Lucas, what are we trading? We're trading the Nasdaq futures. I'm waiting for New York Open to happen in 6 minutes. Let's see how this goes. Go have fun. What up? Hot. Really, really hot. But I mean, for me, it's already afternoon. But it was a really, really hot day today for me, this side of the world. But it was good. You know, can't complain. How's it by you? Go have fun. Rambo, watch it crumble. Hey, Hey, Mula, what's up? You're back. I love it. Are we all... Yo, Shawnee was inner circle trader in the room today. No. There was another big, well, he has lots of subscribers. It was what, Dr. Facts, I think. He was part of the chat this morning. That was quite cool. Thanks, Rip. Thanks for that one. Do you see the disappointment? It's because now that is indeed gonna be stuck in my head. Oh, damn! Ooh, Ireland. I've always wanted to go to Ireland. It looks so nice. Oh, damn, in Germany. That's so cool, Robin. I'm in South Africa. Hello from Texas. Hey, Harris, what's up? Hey, D. New hair, who dis? How's it going, D? How are you? Are you ready? Rip, I think I'm ready. Maybe that's not the best answer to have. Wait, do you know what I did not mark out? I did not mark out the midnight open. Midnight, midnight, midnight. So is it... Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Found stuff. Would have been a goodie for earlier. Damn. Okay. I'm getting better at marking times. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Muller, you're short again. Nice. It's great. Trading ready for New York. Oh, amazing. Go have fun. Let's do this. I'm not loving that it's... Okay, I say it's having big moves. How big are these candles? They're not that big. Never mind. Let's see. This is now starting to look like normal London volume. Welcome back. London, honestly. Thanks, Rip. Are you going to the South African? Robin, that's so cool. What part of South Africa does she go to? Gee, how many backtests do I do? Well, I mean, I backtest quite often. Why? Lucas, I presume you're going to long? No, I'm gonna stay and wait for open. I do not touch. It's hands off until opening. I don't do the pre-market. It doesn't work so well for me. I say that. I haven't really tried. In general, I know pre-market's a bit of a iffy. Rambo, partial taken. Nice. 2 minute, here we go. Also, Rip, can you tell that I'm ignoring your comment? I'm straight up ignoring your comment. Just saying. Uninterested. Because I am not gonna sing. Hello! Original Viper, what's up? Just took a sell on gold for 5 seconds on 5 minute. It was perfect. Nice, D, well done. Whoop whoop then. I'm glad. I'm glad it worked out. Excuse me, I never ignore you, Rip. Don't come at me with your sass so early in the morning for you. I know it's late in the afternoon for me, but still, well, it's not late. Midday. No, it's not midday either. Afternoon, just afternoon. And 9:24 breakaway gap. Rainbow, let me have a look. Chicago, USA says hello again. Hey Marty, what's up? And Bub with a Z. How you doing? D Money? May you ask a question, please? Of course you can. What's up? How? Well. Oh, okay, 9:30. Tap view app. Holy moly. shoot with the question. Go for it. I'm watching to see what chaos happens. Whoa. Okay, at least price action is starting to look a little bit more normal. But why is my graph always going down? Is it? Not always. Look, it's going up right now. Up quite a bit. This is an FU candle if I ever did see one. Paul and Carly, what? Are you a trader? Out of curiosity? I have to ask her again. I forgot, but I know that a friend of hers lives there now, and they'll stay with him. I've seen pictures of the house and speak. Oh, yeah, Robin. South Africa is something else. And there's London High taken. Boom. Whoa! Okay, New York. This is not okay. This is not okay. Damn. ES and NQ are doing opposites. Not really what I want to see, but it doesn't matter. Okay, moving on. 7 AM sell side will be taken first, in my opinion. D-Money, what's my total profit loss? So D-Money, I've only been trading since April. Hi. I'm still new. That's why I said I will try and answer your question, because yeah, I'm very much still new. Very much still figuring things out. I'm not... And I'm here to be honest about the whole process. If you are a beginner trader trying to figure things out. So I've been trading since April. I am not profitable yet. I'm still on an eval account. I am, however, now at a break-even stage, which I think is... It's good. I used to blow accounts all the time, and it's such a sucky feeling. But now I'm at a break-even stage. I think I've been on this eval account for the past 2 months, which is amazing for me. Amazing for me. Now it's the next step is to become profitable. Adi, I'm on the 1 minute currently. I do check the higher time frames. I sometimes forget. I'm sometimes bad. I'm gonna put it out there. I have been better trying to get confirmation from the higher time frames though. It's one of the things I'm working on. But I'm currently on the 1 minute. It's the Holy Grail candle, right? When you have no money left, on slots more entertainment. Oh no, Paul, so you can sell as well. You can make money even when the graph's going down. I used to think the same thing. I used to think traders only made money when the graph was going up. But you can have sells and you can make money even whatever direction the graph's going. Maybe not sideways, but depending on who you are. So tomorrow likely be weird. Wednesday's major news date. No, which bleh. I mean, it would make sense with what just happened, but still me. Okay. 9:30 AM open. We still have not created a first presented fair value gap. Let's see if it respects this and continues up. ES is still dropping down. Okay, ES is still going down. Let's go. This is where we regret not buying. No, not yet. Not yet. No regrets just yet. Purely because, I mean, it was a very big FU candle. No denying that. But I'm absolutely hating how ES and NQ are separate. wait, which I'm not loving this. Adi, which platform am I using? I'm currently using Project X using Top 1 Futures as a prop firm. I am going to have to swap over because Project X is no longer going to be allowed. Yeah. Hello, 1 out. That's okay. Go have fun. Thank you. D-Money, I started April 2024. My total profit loss is 6% profit. I was trying for 2 months in 2022 and got back 30% profit. Hey, D-Money, well done. That's amazing. Whoop whoop. So you've been doing it for, well, nearly 2 years again? And how are you finding it? Ability to make money on any move up or down. Exactly, Witcher. D, am I bearable? I'm neither right now, which is not great. I want to say bull. Flip, let's check the higher time frames. Let's check the higher time frames. Slowly climbing, tapped into, well, very much tapped into that order block. 15 minute. I mean, this just looks terrible on the 15 minute. We're going sideways, which means the 1 hour is probably going to look worse. Yep. Hasn't still quite filled this fair value gap on the 1 hour. And 4 hour. Okay. Well, on the on the 4 hour, we are bullish. So, trend is friend, right? This looks like a correction. I'm most likely not going to place this trade because I just need some extra confirmation with which direction we headed. We still don't even have a first presented fair value gap. I'd have one to completely blew past this shelf of mine. That would have been 3. Also, I was just thinking I could actually have a buy stop here. But rather wait for confirmation. Let's not be silly. Hey, Mudcrab! How are you? Where you been? Sorry, I've been in my own little world a little bit. Apologies. Let me focus. Rip. Part of me wants to put you on timeout for that. Moving on. Money, D-Money, you believe you have developed a system that crushes it? Explain, please. I have stink bids on since so long at the moment. Okay. Good Friday's high still open. Not a fan of the decoupling thing with ES. Right. Geordie? That's why I've been like, absolutely not. Thank you very much. I'm gonna wait for it to maybe find itself. But I agree, this whole ESNQ being very, very different thing is not okay. Also, hi Jody, how you doing? Vishnu, I did not look at the gold chart. Too unhappy tomorrow Eve. Matt Crab, where you been? How you been? For any inconvenience, contact the NP group. See where the wicks match at the bottom. That's how I take my trade. Soon as second candle wicks. These two? Are you talking about these two, D? Sorry, I'm reading. Sorry, I'm going back up and reading. I'm catching up. So see where the wicks match at the bottom. That's how I take my trade. Soon as second candle wicks, I take trade. Okay, I have questions. I want to say that happens often, but now I need to try and prove that. Okay, so you took a buy here at this second wick. Is that what I'm understanding, D? I just found out that bears can climb trees. Doesn't it depend on which bear? Green globe exploration? Oh, no, I meant my personality. Am I more comfortable taking sells or buys? Oh, that's interesting. I don't actually know, D. I actually really don't know. That's very interesting. I've never really thought about it. I do both. I feel like I see both. Maybe I'm better with... Wow, no, now that's hurt my brain. Everyone that's been watching me for a while, do I look like I'm better with buys or sells? D-Money, do I know? 760, whoopsie daisies. Ooh, I've missed things. I think it wants to sweep London low. Ooh, interesting. Ooh, okay. Oh, well, Witcher, it looks like... Thank heavens I listened to myself. Holy moly, that would have been sad. Mud Crabby bullish. Oh, I've missed some things. I'm so sorry. Bob! Hi, Bob! Sorry. That was very lame. I'm gonna move on. How's everyone doing? I'm the only YouTube live traded person that has honestly answered the question about their profit loss. They all ignore me because they're all following in deep losses. Oh damn, D-Money, that kind of sucks. But again, like I said, I'm very much here to be open and honest about everything. You know, I think that's where trading gets a bad name, when people start lying. Results of session lows at 646.80. Go 100. Rip, you sucked it. Anyways, London low, let it sweep it. Hey, boom banana, what's up? How's it going? You so serious. Have fun, life's fast, and if you blink, you might miss it. I mean, Rip, I know, but I'm trying to focus. Okay, wait. So whoa, D. With this one, would you have taken a buy here? The two wicks next to each other? You definitely piqued my interest. Huh. I think it's just been a moving house. Oh no. Well, it's at least a nice place where you moved to. I can see the wheels turning through. Bob, that's still fine. It's when you see the smoke coming out my ears that I think everyone needs to start panicking. Then they must be like, oh no, thinking too hard, stop. Moving on. Oh, Sarah, thank you. I appreciate it. No, I meant the market's being bullish. I know. Even at the top of the wicks, match for rejection. Which, no, we haven't swept London low just yet. Which means... Shoot, I maybe missed an opportunity for this. Also, what time is it? I need to keep an eye out for 10 teams to be a time. Maybe I need to have more water and shoosh. John Wick is playing games right now. Wiki all over the place. Yes, I'm very aware of how lame that was, but we're going with it. Okay? Okay, cool. Wait, which are you in a trade? Oh, I didn't mark out the whole 930. I'm so sorry, Rip. I marked out the opening, but I didn't mark out the 930 range. I'm so sorry, Teach. 930 range, the whole range. Oh. I mean, when you do that, it just looks disgusting, doesn't it? Marked opening price. Forgot to mark out the range. Hey, claim it. Thank you. I appreciate it. 38. I'm so happy with that. That's what matters. I guess, Mudcrab. Closer to work too, so can't complain. Oh, you know what? And it takes time to adjust. When I moved down here, it was different. Very, very different. You only trade gold, but looks like... I've heard that... Not always, obviously, but in general, markets tend to be similar. You just have to know how many contracts to place and work with the volatility of each different asset. Bob, I've been in a trade since last night. It's still working. What? Bob, are you... Okay, actually, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me what you're in. You just send a whoop whoop. But holy cow, is this like the longest trade you've ever been in, Bob? Which I was looking, it would have looked like this, so maybe it... Yeah. No, to be fair, I only had one confluence. No, I only had one. Only had one confluence with this trade. It's not an A+ setup. Let me be better with my A+ setups. I had a little loss this morning, unfortunately, during the London session, so let's... No, that was bad. Sis, I nearly said let's try and make up for what I lost, but that's never the way to think. You never think like that. You just think on to the next trade. Never I need to try and make up for what I've lost. It's just always on to the next trade. Oh, I'm a little bit disappointed in myself for thinking that, but anyways. We now try and find our A+ setups. It is just ranging. This is not fun. Anyways. Bobsy, I've been down 20 grand today. Now I'm up 900. I think I'm going to stop. I'm still... Damn, Bobsy. I mean, if you're up 900 after being down 20 grand, I think you're done. Yeah, Mudcrab, there's nothing worse. Go have fun. Am I in a trade? No, I'm not in a trade. This looks like it would have been a goodie. But it wouldn't have been an A+ setup, so technically would not have been a goodie, right? Only trade a candle at a time. Oh, damn, D. Okay, wait. Did I miss? I did. This right here is the first presented fair value gap. It only took a while. But here's the first presented. Am I correct? Yeah. No. Yep, that's the first presented. Holy moly. And into NWOG. And it's at above level. Okay then. Whoa. Is it headed for Asia low now? Well, it's filled NWOG very quickly. So much for the bullish bias. Well, London low gone. You know what the problem is? I really like setup for a lot of reasons, but I'm not trusting it. Also for a number of reasons. But we're properly out. We've closed below. What time is it? Let me also not jump into things before I know the time. Nutcrab, you think it's buy time? I'll be buying in 2 down wicks. We're gonna hit some Yeah, time 7:35, Friday close. What a very interesting open. Mud crab, honestly. Long to the red line. Ah, great. So long to where my stop loss would have been. Wait. Would have been an entry here. What should work out? This would have been my entry for a short though. I'm going against what you guys are wanting to see. I'm gonna get yelled at so much if this works out. $9.30 rain, I have one. Why are you now winning? This one. Please is the code for prop firm. Oh yeah, YouTube for movies it is. The Teach Maya is, yeah, my affiliate code for prop firms in my description below. Oh, I hate myself so much. Let's watch this play out perfectly for fun, right? Hey, freshen it. What's up? The low probability of today is so unsettling. Rip, honestly. Overall trend line is bearish. Seems like it will go down more. Unbiased bias. What's up? Understanding things better. Trading is so risky. Are you a trader? Understanding things better? Chakra, I was actually looking for a sell. It's just in a bit of a risky position because it has just taken out London low and okay, maybe not the worst thing. I feel no. It's a bit rangy. Let's not be too hasty. Oh, you had a limit order at 5,720? No, that is not okay. Andre, what the heck, man? Oh, go have fun, bye, enjoy. Smithwest, how much am I up on the month? I mean, on the month? Like December month? Is that what you're asking? Last week I was up like $100. Hey, Stigma, welcome. Tried to reshort the retouch, stop break even so far. Ooh, okay. Mud Crab, you're in a buy though, right? I'm still... I can enter at this level, but we are also very obviously ranging. What time are we at? Okay, let's see what happens in the next 6 minutes. Being a trade at 10 is also a little bit risky. Is it Clamir? I feel like I'm butchering your name. Claimer? Play. Can I call you Play? I appreciate it. Believe me, it's taking a lot. I really want to get in. I wanted it to look like this. Entry here. I have my 3 confluences, so technically I'm probably being dumb for not taking this. But it seems a little bit risky with how today is acting so far. Let's see. Andre, I must show you, I must try find this morning. I mean, thank heavens it didn't get me because it would have been a tagged and went down. Maybe it would have been, no, it wouldn't have been break even. It would have been a small loss this morning. It missed me, I don't want to say by a point. It touched the line. The spread missed me. I'm not gonna say your name, but yes, you can ask me a question. That thing went level to level. Honestly, Bob, I was looking, Bob, look at that go. But now is it gonna go back up the level? Does it have to fill the level? So that's the next question, Bob. Does it have to fill the... Moving on. There was obvious water block on the 5 minute that it was heading to and waited all day for it to play out and it didn't happen. Damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. Rip, why am I a silly goose? What did I do? Rip, what did I do? Why am I a silly goose now? I mean, there's multiple reasons, but... what is the reasoning behind me being a silly goose this time? Three minutes? Okay, I'm regretting less not being in this because this is literally messing around. Ugh, don't diddle in the middle, don't mess with the choppy. Yeah, don't mess with the chop. I have to just remind myself. I'm having to literally just cross my hands right here. Hawaii, what's up? How's it going? Bitcoin doesn't make any money. D? YouTube, what's the affiliate code for? If you want to use my affiliate code and show some support, if you use any of the prop firms in my description below, if you want to give any of them a try, you can use my affiliate code and yeah, it gives you guys a bit of a discount when you buy any of the prop firms or evals with those prop firms. Could quite literally do anything right now. Minecraft, that's true. It's Claimer. Thank you! But do I research what company? Ah, so Claimer, I don't actually invest. So I'm day trading. It's a little bit different. Celestial, what up? Bob? I don't know, don't waste your energy on them. Struggle, yep. Not gonna lie, this PA is scary. Only true trader? Just a itty bitty little bit. Ah, okay, it looks like maybe I had the correct idea. Huh, well, okay, let's not speak too soon. Let's not speak too soon. Oh, I'm probably gonna be bummed. But this morning, I just took the trade and it was a loss. Because I didn't wait. It's being cheeky. I really tried twice to enter short at $5 to pay for fees, not basically break even. So, okay, Witcher. Let's see. I'm not gonna lie, Mark's been treating me better than both New York Open and London. Oh, only true trader. That's interesting. Do you think people start to get scared of the opening price and then they wait, and then when things calm down, then they start to trade? Do you think that could be something? Actually, I don't know. London Open is bank. Oh, I didn't know that. It's bank open today? I mean, bank holiday today? Huh. Boom, no, I hopped into the pool. It was so hot today that I jumped in the pool. I needed to cool down. It was ridiculous. So I'm actually still... Everyone calm down. but I'm actually still like wearing my costume and everything. I hopped in and then opened the charts. I had to cool down. Like I said, it was had a bit too much to handle. Celestial, that was your setup. Listen here. I'm aware that I'm a problem and I make bad mistakes, but yeah. Sometimes the problem with having a little bit of a bias, you get a little bit stuck on it. All right, it's time to candle up. Hey Dom, how's it going? So you like to trade the... no, I don't like to trade the breakout. I like to trade the... I guess you could call it the retest. I'm gonna look for a long somewhere. Really? You guys are thinking longs are the way to go? Wow, went to the pool and no invite. Boom, I mean, it's right there. If you want to come hop in. I mean, it's quite expensive to come to this pool. I'm just saying. You gotta fly all the way here. That's the problem. You had it. Follow the dragon. Surf the market. Follow the dragon? I've never heard that. That's a new one. Hey David, what's up? Oh great, she set up. Jordy, I'm sorry, what do you want from me? Okay. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. I know I make your lives difficult. Okay, well I definitely would have mitigated my risk by half here. Which wouldn't not be great. I mean, I could have re-entered into a short. But buyers look like they're winning. Sorry, I'm sitting on my hands a little bit until it's out of this range. It doesn't work for... Range just doesn't work for me. Short volume average beats long volume. That's only indicating my... and bias, I'll have a look. Thank you. Not crabby buying more. I still have level at 643. Where did 643 come from? The one you showed me was this level. The one I marked out here. What level was it? 643? I'm so confused, Bob. Oh, this one. Never mind. You meant this one. Yes, I have this. Oh, wow. Clearly the jump in the pool did not wake me up quite enough. Moving on. Okay, yes, Bob, I still have that level. I'm so sorry. You're gonna have to give me a minute. I apologize. Hey Pixeltail, how you doing? Long time no see. How you been? How's the trading going? It's rejecting the zone I drew out. This zone? The bob level? Are you talking in specific about the NWOG? Or it's kind of pinballing between the two of these. Is it bad that I still don't hate this trade for a short? Oh damn. As I said that. Oh damn, as I said that. Okay. Oh, I missed the 10. 10. 10. A.m. open time. There's 9 a.m. open time. Should theoretically go for the lower. Okay. This is just pinballing right now. Ooh, it looks like it's creating that M formation. I know some people hate the M formation and all the different thingies, but sometimes it works. Your short 758 stop is 787. Am I? Oh, stop. Never mind. Target is 6 foot. Damn, Witcher, that's a good freaking trade. What? The zone will go to the moon. That's true. If it breaks the zone, it does go to the moon. If it does not, however, we're gonna drop significantly. Boom, no, I like shorts. There we go. Follow your strategy and you're being disciplined. Opinions from others are not important. Trading going well, made a solid 9k in 3 weeks. Damn, Pixel Tail? No, I'm not. Well, yes and no. Still on an eval account. See what it hit again. Update range. Interesting, but I mean the buyers really want to take control here. Sorry, can you see is the smoke starting to come out my ears yet? I think it's gonna start happening soon. I feel the smoke's gonna start coming out soon. I do like the short, but at this point I feel like it could go either way. Which is not, well, obviously not ideal. Sure, okay. Might reach his zone for value gap and go up. Have I ever used AI? I have not. I have not used AI. I've heard a few people say that they use AI. Have you? How have you found it? It'll require a lot of energy to get above 930 again. Triple tap. It's triple tapped into this. So actually this would have been a goodie. Oh, I'm itching to market in. I am itching to market in, but I know it's a bad idea. And tapped into NWOG again. It is bouncing off the two of them. Like a damn pinball. Okay, if it comes back up one last time. I don't think it is. I do think I'm now too late. I've made up my mind too late, but in case. It's a fake candle. Dom, you still think 8:30? What, do you think we're gonna come take out this top wick above this 0 level first? Don't. See how it's squeezed there. Lovely to watch. Both 2 levels are very important. I mean, it's just going between the 2. So am I actually being a bit of a silly goose to try get in on this? I feel like maybe I am being a bit of a silly goose. It's about to take out that wick on ES. Let's see. There we go. Well, actually, I'm probably too late to get in on this. Let's put it that way. I think if it drops now, it's going to drop properly. Or if it goes up now, it's going to go up properly. So, Vishnu, you say gold part is skyrocketing and pumping high. NQ is just lagging. No, that sucks to hear. The NQ is just not playing ball. Hi, everybody. What up? Hey, Stim, sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, welcome, by the way. Oh, this is actually giving me a headache. I must just drink more water. Oh, that's what it was. Nah, never mind, moving on. Level to level. So, Bob, if I'm correct, you think it's going to go down to the next level, right? If I broke the zone, I'm waiting to pull back. Okay. You never get in the middle. No. Oh, interesting. I'm just now dipping my toe in, and that's in the interest of trading. Aha. Well, welcome. You can see the good, the bad, and the ugly on this channel. You see every aspect. Some days amazing, other days you question all your life choices. Triple floor. Bob, anything is possible. True. Yes, you still think Nasdaq is going to be bullish. I don't know. I'm checking something on ES. Come. If it would hurry up. Oh my gosh, no. Oh no, I broke its brain. And are we gonna close below there? I think we are. I think I'm just too late. Now ES open bearish and has continued bearish, and ES and NQ tend to work together. Fair. I'm still in for buy. I'm tempted to buy again, but it sells hard. Or wrecks and havoc. Order to 50 trades. I know, D, but you have a very wild way of trading. I'm not at that level of brave yet. I think if it breaks through, it could go 830. I think if we get confirmation below 710, it's headed for that 643 level. Yeah. Either way, I'm probably just too late to enter in on this. I should have trusted myself. A moron. Oh well, moving on. It's fine. Too late. Looks like it's going to be perfect. Naturally. Oh well. Somebody telling you to stop moving. Time to make some calls. I hear that. Dom, you still set on it being a fake breakout? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Hey, Joe. Oh, Elias, thank you. That's so sweet. Maya means illusion, appearance, sense of duality. Cool. Boom, how was my day? My day was okay. Just hot as hell. Just hot as hell. Not much you can do about that. So just saying, I would have paid the duck here. I would have at least been in profit. So that's fun and not frustrating at all for me right now. Oh well, moving on. I've been working on cracking the big dog GC. I'm getting so close, it's almost so perfect. Ooh, Bob? This sounds interesting. How much you in the red from London? Only like $100. Not too bad, David. Really, Boom? I don't know what's worse. I really don't. I always have this debate with myself because, like I said, sorry, you guys have probably heard this a million times. I'm constantly, like, I always get cold. So now that I jumped in the pool to cool myself down, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit on the cold side now, even though it's still boiling outside. I'm a little bit cold. Mudcrab, how hot is it there? See, what did I base my TP off of? Sweet and simply. I know some people hate this. I literally just always have a 1 to 2 hour trade. The better TP would technically actually be Asia low, which is further down. Took that range. Diddling in the middle though, so I'm not going to touch that. I'm going to leave it alone. Always pay the duck. The RIP 2025. Exactly, RIP. 2:17 AM here and it's hot. See, and then you can't sleep nicely when it's hot. You can sleep awesome when it's cold because you just add layers and layers and layers. But when it's hot, it's hot. Nothing you can do. Hey, Thomas! How's it going? I'm a little bit frustrated because I did miss my train again. I always do this. The ones where I'm like, I'm not so sure. And then I don't take them. And then I want to, you know, bang my head against the wall. It is what it is. Dom, you think the buyers are coming? Like 28, but oh, even 28 is hot, sorry. The humidity today here was also not okay. Like, I'm not a super sweaty person, so when I sweat, you know it's bad. And I was sweating today. Ooh, I was gonna ask if you took the short. It was a good setup with the Kundig right before, and you know. I know. And it, I mean, look, like I said, I would have been in profit right now. So that's fun. That's fun for me. Why is it the trades? Yeah. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I feel like someone's gonna have to yell at me after this. If it hits TP, I deserve a good yelling at. Thanks. Thanks, Thomas. Hey! How are ya? What's up? How are you doing? number. Imagine half of the shop buyers are coming in and everyone goes in position to prepay. Rip, that's kind of funny. Thanks, Boom. Thank you. I can always trust in Boom to yell at me. No, Mula, I do. This is like the freaking 5th time I have done this. Where there's a really good setup, and then I start second guessing and doubting everything, and then I miss such a nice trade. Because I'm being a silly goose. That would have made me cry. That would have missed me by a tick. Oh, how rude. The audacity. Wow. Okay. Whoop, here we go. So bob level to bob level, now messing around a little bit. And we're gonna break below. Then I think we're going properly down. Let's see. My crab, you still think it's a buy? You'd watch it with false breakthrough, but you could also go the other way. My opinion is it will start trending upward. Ooh. This does just look like one giant correction. Let's double check what it looks like on the higher time frames. Sorry, I'm just gonna shut all the noise off. Okay. 15-minute. Is it? Never mind. I was gonna ask potentially a really dumb question, so I'm just gonna be quiet. No Wi-Fi. There we go. I mean, this doesn't look ideal. Wow, I now took that. Oh, it did. Oh, no, it did. I lied. It did respect this level slightly. Oh, we're going down. I'm gonna be crying when I pop this open and I see my TP being taken. Boom. Would have been a full freaking TP. There's Asia Logon. Now we're gonna go to the next level. Honestly. Okay, boom. Yell away. Have fun. Have at it. Yell at me. I deserve it. This is trader development in real time. Yeah. Marty, what happened? If you trick your brain and pretend you're trading someone else's money, you'll do better. No, I don't think I would. I would feel more guilty. Does that make sense? Damn. Boom actually yelled at me. But thank you, I appreciate it. You are correct. There we go. Bad Maya. Was a perfect freaking trade. Perfect. And I didn't take it. And I would have probably left a runner, so I would have still been in this trade. 6 for 3. Here we go, Bob. Let's have a look. Hypothetical whoop whoop for my thank you. If you want a real whoop whoop, start taking trades. Damn, you guys are sassy molassy. I took a trade this morning and it was bad. But yes, okay, I'm on it. I'm on it, guys. I'll be better. Okay, so the question I wanted to ask that... right, Mudgrab? Anyways, the question I wanted to ask, which maybe sounds a little bit dumb... Hear me out. Was it the 15-minute? Where I saw it? Yep. Does this just not look like a giant correction before an impulse? That... Sorry. Maybe I am just completely wrong. That's kind of what my brain is seeing. We had an impulse, then a correction, and now another impulse. And everyone's seeing this as more buy side, but I'm seeing that as correction for a drop down. Am I seeing it wrong? Geordie? Geordie? Whoop whoop. Oh, cheers, Dom. Long-term trend is bullish, yes. And boom is in for 2k. Well done. So I am the only little silly goose sitting out here. Sad. Sad little lonely silly goose. Fine. So I'm in a meeting, can't hear you, but I wait. Yeah, Witcher! Sorry, that was for Witcher. Moving on. First 15 of 10 again. Okay, that can go away. So from 10. Okay, I marked out 10 here. Wait. Sorry. Oh, I don't like where the stop loss is. That's much better. One, two, three. Oh, I'm so sorry. I've been quiet for a while. I apologize. Got any wine, Geordie? I don't. There's nothing. Yep, there's nothing for me right now. Oh well. No, I think you're right. Oh, thank you. Need the 2 micros. That's okay. Could you please tell the reason why you took the trade very quickly? I didn't take the trade. I think that's the problem. Is that I didn't take it. Anyways. 258. Any demand from buyers are picking up. We may see an uptrend and buyers ready. Rip, you're scaring me when you say that. Shorty, careful shorting too late. I know I wanted to tap into Bob's levels, but maybe I'm being a little bit too reliant on Bob's levels. Yeah? Possibly. Very likely. I'm wanting to see it go lower to the 640 area. Sometimes I feel like life is too easy. Green globe explorations, I need you to elaborate on that because I cannot relate at all. No, what you're seeing is correct for the most part, but the corrections are too close in a very strange open, so it's making... Oh, that's making bias where you're not respecting the range. That. No, thanks, Microbe. I know Rip's gonna long... Really? Is Rip gonna go into a long now? Oh my gosh, see, now I'm like questioning everything and anything. You don't think it'll bounce off of NWOG? It's just gonna go right through it? It's 15 minutes. Well, it made me scared, which is bad. Don't be scared. One, two, three. I feel like Rip ran away. Okay. Follow my plan, I'm just gonna make it 2 contracts instead of 3. When you say Little Maya as well, you make me nervous. Like more nervous than normal, but it's fine. Follow it. It took out that, but it's why I'm using the bigger range. And maybe it's a mistake. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. You took a low, so exhaustion has started. If there's more higher time frame draws, you could shoot lower, but a PRO setup is possible. Oh, thanks, Thomas. Wait, Thomas, you're done? Like, done for the day? What the heck? Read right now. Oh. So that's fun. Claimer, thank you. I appreciate that. I'm just doing this. Hey. Tracker up? Once that's 640, what's the plan? What? Well, basically, Chucker, I'm waiting for another cell. Let's see if it comes up. Makes sense. Confluence, take it. Don't be afraid of losses. Part of the path. Rip, no, that's fair. It did take out Asia Low though, which is the one thing that I'm not so keen on. So I got my shelf. Got order block. I have 3 confluences and maybe... yeah. Nope, don't do that. Yeah, my goodness. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. What have I done? I messed around. Around. Flip. Shoot. Oh my goodness. What did I do? Oh my gosh. I messed around and I found out. I ducked around and I found out. Oh no. Oh no. Great giddy aunt. There we go. Okay, well, I'm back in. Oops. Just oops. That was not supposed to happen. Moving on. This looks like it's gonna go back up now, but, anyways. That was not supposed to happen. Moving on. Can you trade? Yep. I need at least 3. Rip, that's pretty good. Why don't cannibals eat clowns? Because they taste funny. That was pretty good. I did enjoy that one. That was a good little funny you made there, Rip. I appreciated that little funny. I'm not even gonna bother making one yet. I took the trade you wanted. I did get out pretty early, so I'm not profiting off the profit. 3R is good to me. Oh damn, you took a 3R trade? Look at you go. Okay. Nice. Bob, I've done that, but yeah, that was not okay. Moving on. My lord, my stop loss was getting ridiculous. Nice mud crab. Dom, you still think your long is coming? Well, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And it is what it is. I need to place... maybe I'm being too eager with this, but I'm gonna place it still, because it's my rules. Rules are rules. When it hits that level, if it hits that level, I mitigate my risk by half. Oh, rip! No! Rip, that's bad. I kind of have one along the same lines though, but I don't want to say it because that's bad and then people are going to think that I'm bad as well. But I do have one that's similar. Paul, what's up? How's it going? Hey, I am in. Oh no. Okay, well I'm sticking with it. Let's see what happens. Jose, how are you? I'm back in on a sell. Yes, D, I'm in on a sell. The moves, I take it as you don't trade. Hey John, what's up? I like the short here down to 643, but I lost money today, so what do I know? Oh no, Bob, what happened? But did you lose money on the gold? Or did you lose money on NQ? So I feel like you haven't quite figured out gold just yet. Well, I'm assuming from what you've said. Ooh, that's something sassy to say. Determine? Damn, okay. Hi mate, hi, how you doing? This was 5 points away from my TP, then this happened. No, Mula, that sucks. I'm so sorry. That's not okay. That's not quite right. D, valid, actually. John, I'm trading. Yes, I am. I'm trying to be better because, well, no, put TP up a little. D. Technically, I want my, no, actually, I like where my TP is. Around the 643 level. Don't worry, I'm gonna have one here and one here. Never had. Then how do you know it's a scam? Some moves? Oh wait, no, I only put 2 contracts in. Shoot. Well, I gotta pay the duck. So there'll be 1 there. If it gets there. If it doesn't, it is what it is. Fine, thank you. Greetings from me and my crew from Los Angeles. Oh, nice. From LA. Nice. How's the weather there? TP. Yeah, so TP is take profit. Not toilet paper. When I started trading, that's low-key what my brain used to jump to. I was thinking, TP? Toilet paper? What? No, TP is take profit, sorry. Learn from others. And how long did they trade for, Snooze? Determinism. There we go, I can say it. I just never know if things are all smushed together. Sometimes I get confused about where the break is. Hey, Fluffy Bunny, what's up? Cute name, by the way. I don't know if that's what you were going for, but cute name. What trading platform? I'm currently using Project X. I know Project X isn't going to be in play for that much longer though, but it's what I'm using for now. Every 60 minutes in Africa, a minute passes. Oh, mud crab. I don't know if I told you, someone made that joke on the flight. When I flew back up, on the way there, unfortunately for me, I got, well, sat next to someone who was chatty, which is my nightmare, but it is what it is. Aw, Pepper, thank you. I'm just watching this go, and now I leave it alone. Smooth, probably not for long. That's the thing. I think the problem is some people. Sorry, I'm kind of jumping between things. I'm so sorry. I'm keeping myself distracted. But point is, you said probably not for long. Yeah, that's the thing. I think people get into trading thinking this is going to be quick, easy money. It is not. It is no quick, no easy. Dom, put stop loss to break even. Sorry, those are not my rules. So if it takes me, it takes me. It's only gonna go to the middle part, a little above the wick. Hey Alex, I'm trading futures. The Nasdaq futures to be specific. Basically where the body of the candle is middle. Hey Southpaw, what's up? Now you have water, you got it in the right order. In my opinion, I really should drink some water prior to having coffee. I guess, Southpaw, you're not wrong. At least I'm drinking water. Let's all look on the positive side. At least I am drinking water. That's a big thing for me. I mean, yeah, no, yeah, it's fine. Hey, Nanomix, what up? I am in a trade currently. Yay. What up? How's it going? Really, D? That's interesting. Hey, Boom! Now I'm scared. Boom, don't say anything. Boom, you be quiet. Reseasoning behind you. Oh, reasoning. I read reseasoning behind your... Anyways, moving on. Because I want my TP to be at 643, to be exact, if we're going to be exact. Reasoning is there's an imbalance, there's NWOG as a bounce off of, as well as an order block and a shelf, so that's actually 4. We have exhausted the cells quite a bit though, which is obviously not ideal, but we continue. Nanomix, am I short? Yes. May I ask if you do leverage? I do not do leverage, sorry. Does it? I'm actually South African. Yeah, I've heard that South African accent sound close to Australian though. I've been trading 9 years and lost more than I've made. So then why do you carry on, D? I do it the way you're doing it, no judging. Yeah, thanks. Oh no, Boom, why? Okay, let's see what happens. Now that Boom said that. Okay. Mudcrab, Boom's up quite a bit. I was long, got stopped, took the short, got paid, now in another short, stop right above the recent highs. Heard me, see me, stop us at the high. Oh no! I did say the cells looked a little bit exhausted, but I'm leaving it. Thanks, Dom. I'm leaving it, and I'm trying so hard to stick my rules. It has not hit the 1-to-1, so I'm not mitigating my risk yet. It's so close to where I'd get out. Oh, D, would you get out at the 1-to-1? Oh, after it took out those lows? Interesting, really? Oh, you did mention that earlier, sorry. Hey, David G, how's it going? And I'm South African. Bob, yes, don't touch nothing. No touching. No touchy touch. Hey, hi. Is it okay if I call you home then? David G, that's amazing. Are you? I'm so glad. What's been happening? What? You're still in on a buy? Ooh, okay. Well, you know what? I love the... I wanted to say something. The dedication? No? Yeah. I'm gonna say the dedication. The Wolf Trader. Why are you holding this trade now out? Why are you... The Wolf Trader? What do you mean? I'm still in this trade? I'm not out of the trade? As I've said, oh, your last 6 months have been very profitable and people who never give up trading become successful. Got it, D. Got it. Sorry. I got, like, the end of the conversation there. Apologies. Going on 7, I spent 3 to 4 years in the trenches, down like 10k, been profitable for 2 years now. Yeah. David G, oh, thanks. I appreciate you stopping in to come say hi. Basically, I really appreciate it. Narji, what's up? How's it going? I'm gonna low-key distract myself a little bit, so, you know. For anyone that's new, if you guys want to join the community, it's an amazing, loving community. So if you are not amazing and loving and don't want to be supportive, don't come. But if you guys are amazing and loving and you want to join in, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. No, never mind. Can't do that. And then I missed that. It's about to, kind of. Let's see. Still not yet. Hope everything turns out great. Oh, thanks, David. You're so sweet. I really appreciate that. I'm trying to get into trading just so I could get the resources to get out of... Oh, it's very... Oh, damn. Alex, that's not good. Where would you want to go, though? Out of curiosity, if you don't mind me asking. Thanks, David. We've traded too much liquidity there. I shall have a feeling that somehow, but... Oh. Sorry, Southpaw. My bad. Muddy. What is that crawling on my shoulder? Nothing, I hope. You're freaking me out. Was there actually something on my shoulder? Oh, thanks, Mud. We have exhausted the cells. Leave it alone. Can you talk with me after this trade? The Wolf Trader? About what? What's up? My backyard and found a whole box of gold coins. I was about to run inside and tell my wife, but then I remembered why I was digging the hole. Oh, damn, Rip! Whoa! Okay. Rip, are you good? Are you good? Are you good? What a slow bleed lower. Yep. Nice, man. I'm probably at an 80% What, Thomas? What the heck, man? Well, let's say. Drank any red rooibos tea? No. Unbiased? Why? That's such a random question. No? What? Love to go to Mexico. I've heard Mexico is quite cool. I think this week will be bearish. Interesting, Willow. Okay. Hey, boom. The code to I butchered that. I'm gonna call you Film. What's up, Film? Yeah, it was. Okay, there we go. Ah. Ruth, that's so sweet. Damn, thank you. Mad Love, I don't know if any of you guys saw that. Okay. Mitigate risk by half. Them's the rules. So I hit 1 to 1R. So now I mitigate my risk by half. And now we stay in this. Part of me wants to go to break even, but that's a bad idea. But shout out for the whoopsies. Shout out for the dono. Thank you, Brew. Oops, wrong thing. Whoopsie daisies. There we go. The devil on your shoulder. Wow. Up a bit on gold, but chasing buyers here. Okay. Get out there. Thanks, Steve. You know which I'm using top 1 futures. Yeah. That's my prop. Top 1 futures. Don't do that. Not yet, but it's close to my 70%. Then I'm gonna go break even. Alex, what strategies do I use? So technically this little GAN box is my own little GAN box, if you will. Was close to 70%, wasn't it? I can never remember. Sorry. Just gonna go break even. Moving on. Gonna make you up for the session. Oh, thanks, Mud. Kodak is where it's at. Move your stop loss into profit. There we go. Only for trader, might as well leave a runner. You think so? I only put 2 contracts in. So to leave a runner, I would just have to cancel that one and just let it be free, I guess. Sorry if not talking, I'm a little under the... Why is everyone sick? What's happening? I'm so sorry, Geordie, to be fair. There was a moment yesterday when number one, I had a nap. That's weird for me. Normally naps equal I'm sick. So, And then I woke up and I started coughing and I was like, absolutely not. Dom, zone 25715. Good for long win, broke neckline. Okay. Wolf Trader, why am I leave now? I'm not leaving. Trade is the scam. Okay. Or I take it as you are not a trader. Should have closed at break even. It is. Yeah. Everything's at break even there. So let's see what happens. Oh, you're saying to now leave the trade? No, it hasn't hit my TP yet. Proof that was so jaw. That's nice until you realize that's exactly how. Oh! Damn. I didn't read what Rip said until Geordie said that, and I was like, seriously? Seriously? Oh, that's because I gave you the sickness. Excuse me, Boom. What the heck, man? I did nothing. Rude. There's no one on the earth that has long-term revenue from trade. Ah, okay, there definitely is. Oh, we know what's gonna happen. Exactly. Right, long-term support line. Well, let's see if we can at least pay the duck. Come on, please pay the duck. It'd be nice if we can pay the duck. Yes, we paid the duck. I don't know if... Bob, do I leave a runner? Do I not be greedy and I just take TP at 163? Thing and do trade. You guys have been saying be careful. Just saying. I'm in the green. Regardless. So that's cool. And I moved my stop a little bit further down. So whatever happens, happens now. 643. Or 645. Ah, so basically, okay, let's just do that. Let's not be greedy. There we go. Slightly above. Damn. Literally tapped into New York low and is now gonna jump up. Cool. Well, New York low was taken. Let's see if it continues. No, I've already taken the trade. Yeah. I'm officially in the green for today. I'm up $11, people. Whoop whoop. Anyways. Oh, damn. Okay, Rip, I'm sorry. Rip, do you think I should take it and not be greedy? Okay, opinions. Should I leave a runner or should I just take TP? Runner or TP? Runner or TP? Thoughts, guys? Should I take a runner, yay or nay? South Park, it breaks my trend line, I'm going long. Has it broken officially? Okay, Bob says leave the runner. Okay. We leave runner then. Well, let's see. Wait, Rip. Oh, to 645. Yeah. Wow. I took TP and I went down another. Hello. We have a little bit of a mixed thing. Yeah, leave the runner to 645. But 645 is right here. So what I'm saying is TP could be down there. Dom says don't leave money on the table. When it hits your original TP, strict stop loss trail. If it was me, break and hold it broke. Have a good one. Said what it was necessary. Okay. Rip, I'm asking your opinion now. Rip, please. Pretty please. Pretty please. Pretty. Yes, no, maybe. Mohammed says let it ride. So this is a very mixed bag of opinions here, so that's fun. It's very possible that it'll drop. Time to be careful. There we go. Hasn't quite taken yet. Well, now I can start trailing a bit closer. And $50 this. Best case you get 30 or so extra. Yeah, Byron, I mean, that's valid. You should try to leave it running and put your stop at your TP. Then let it keep running down and keep moving your stop every 1 hour gain. Ooh. Thomas, that's interesting. It hit the 5, yeah, but is it going to now continue down, Bob? It's working. Oh, thanks, Southpaw. Well, let's see. We'll live. Well. It hit it. To a point. Oh, what a big sigh. D says get out. Okay, there we go. Now I can move to that swing. Okay. Boom, I've left it, I've left it, I've left it. Follow your heart, Mike. You don't listen to us, DJs. Jordy, I love it. Ah, Flip, I love it. Leave the runner, trust the boom. I trust the boom. Boom looks like he's feeling better. Is Boom feeling better? Just keep adjusting your stop loss from time to time. You're in a good place. I'm just gonna keep going essentially by the swing highs. Now I'll try my stop down to 645, but it's already gone past there. I'll trail it to there. Also, hi Dark Angel, have you been here the whole time? Rip, target should be previous day low. So it's New York low. It's better as an injury, but it's fine. Please just drag the actual order box. I did that earlier, and I created issues for myself, Jordy. I tried it earlier, and I messed it up. Don't ask me how. I messed it up, and I panicked. I'm glad I got back in. I actually marketed back into this trade, believe it or not, because it tagged me in, and like I said, I then tried to drag it, and I messed it up, and I panicked, and it was a problem. No, just, oh, okay. Thanks, Dog Angel. Thanks for popping back in. Yeah. So, right, 580. It might come stop me out first, though. Like I said, theoretically, where I have my trailing stop loss is a decent place for an entry. Again, it might take me out first before it does that. It's likely it might take me out first before it does that, though. Bob? Do I have 540 marked? I do... Oh, yeah, 540. I have 540 marked, but not the second half of it, if you will. Yes, took the low, though. Not exactly. You sent me the 540, but not, like I said, the second half of the bob level. Oh, it's going back up. ES is pushing back up. Oh well. Rip, ES took the low. Ah. Is that what ES came and grabbed? That's true. It's fibbing. You think it's fibbing? Oh, damn, Muller. But I mean, a +4R is awesome. 510. And... Okay, moving on. Oh, for 2, so you'll hit that like fun. Thanks, Southpaw, you're so sweet. Thank you needs to catch back up to... Yeah, this SMT. Let's see, it was Bob, 510. Okay. Bob. I'm assuming it looks like this, Bob. Okay. Play the duck. Now it's just playing exactly. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. So duck has been fed, I guess, or paid, whatever you want to call it. So no matter what happens now, it is what it is. Yeah, honestly, Jordan, no, I'm joking. Jordy, I really do hope you feel better. Sorry guys, can you even see what's happening? There we go. There you can see a little bit better here. Look there, you took a level to level right? No, I was like... I had to give it a try. I had to give it a try. These levels have been on my mind. And it just worked out so perfectly with my setup that I was like, here we go. Oh, those are Bob's levels. Yeah, exactly, Dark Angel. I got them Bob levels up. Liquidity zone, Dom, is that what you're saying? It's the flu, it'll pass. Come on, keep it degen down forever. That's valid, but you then are not trading today? Are? Not. Are, I feel like you are. It keeps bouncing down my trend line. If that keeps going on, you just keep adding to P&L, huh? Well, let's see. This might break out soon, Southpaw. This might break out soon. Like I said, I'm just hands off right now. Whatever happens, happens. Green Globe Explorations, you're in a very good mood today. That's good, though. What you say, market will fall or what? Sheesh. Which market? I feel like you gotta be a little bit more specific. I took a small whoop whoop earlier, but just staring at the screen at this point. Well, Jordy, a whoop whoop is a whoop whoop. So whoop whoop, well done. I had a loss this morning and now this, but I mean, technically, I'm up $11, so that's a very small win. But still. Frenchie's available if interest earned. Okay, well, there we go. And we are out. But it was indeed... Oh, no, I lie. I'm now up $127. Whoop whoop. Yes, okay, cool. So made up what I lost this morning and some, so that's cool. But we winning. We ball. I mean, it took a while. We winning. Oh, I did not post. So I'm curious to see if I had left naturally watch it now workout, but if I'd left my trailing stop loss above the swing high, if it would have worked better. I mean, there's no point, you know, kinda looks a little bit exhausted now. I'm going to quickly mark out. Sorry, I need to post my trades. There we go. So my trade this morning was not great. But, you know, you gotta learn from your mistakes. Let's see what it does. It does kind of look like it wants to start popping up though. But that's fine. Again. Okay. Okay, anyways, anyone else? Whoop, whoop, beep, whoop, whoops, how's it going? Dom? We see us tomorrow. Be good, thanks, Dom. Thanks, guys. See, at least I took it. See, boom, it helped that you yelled at me. And I'm sure you enjoyed yelling at me, let's just be real. I'm sure Boom loved yelling at me. Thanks, guys. Again, the support is amazing, thank you. Dom, thanks. Again, guys, yeah, can't stress this enough. Thank you for all the support. I would not be whoop whooping without you. I'd probably be crying somewhere. Very likely that I'll be crying somewhere. Boom! Yeah, you enjoyed yelling. Gonna have you at 53k and no shot. Well, let's see. I'm sure you guys understand this. Sometimes it feels like it's 2 steps forward, 1 step back. I'm at that point, but I guess it's better than just feeling like I'm walking backwards. We're at the 2 steps forward, 1 step back part. Oh, cheers, Mula. Again, Tesla's going down. Rip. Cry you a river? Why do you want a river? You want to go soak in the sun? I have to be a little bit sassy, I'm sorry. Moving on. Shoo. Okay. Dunsies. So I could have had 2 winning trades today. But it is what it is. 54 viewers, 8 likes. It's free, guys. Pay the duck. Thanks, Buttercup. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to like the stream. Let's let this amazing community grow. Right, we've got this. I'll go tubing. There we go! Do I trade in Solana or Ethereum? I do not. Sorry, Fish. I've heard Solana is not bad, though. I don't know much about it at all. Sorry. Prentice? You wish you knew how to trade? You want to learn how to trade? It was a song. Oh, why are you treating me like this? Seriously, what did I do? I don't know. I'm so sorry. I'm just being sassy. Okay, so far, if I had left the trailing stop loss at the swing high, would still be in this. Why that song? Wait, where did that song pop into your head? I know that song. I thought you were talking about the song, but I don't know. Sometimes you're sassy, so I know I have to be sassy back. Do I have to put myself in timeout again? I'm sorry. I will do it. I'll do it because now I feel bad. Dr. H, what's up? Helping you without asking anything in return. No, Rip, I'm so sorry. Seems like I made a big win today by looking at charts. Oh, thanks, Dr. H. Not so much a big win, but a win, right? And a win is a win. So, yeah, which is awesome. Rip, must I put myself in timeout again? I feel bad. Will that make you feel... I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for being sassy. Sky's the limit, my guy. Discipline in 6 months. Only on one idea. Practice and study will take you far. He was hugging. Timber down the other leg. Okay. It's also about the quality rather than quantity. Thomas? I like that quite a bit. You can overwhelm yourself quite quickly when it comes to trading. Yes, you know, in my opinion, from someone that's new, and I still get overwhelmed. Rip? Rip's not Rip. I'm so sorry. Rip, must I put myself in timeout? I'm so sorry. Interesting. Okay. No one piece of information you have learned by trading this far. Number one piece of information I've learned by trading this far. Oh, flip. It's probably the discipline. Like, I know that's not information. Oh, okay. Let's do information. Well, I guess for me, theoretically, the market auction theory, that information, I mean, that's basically what my strategy is made up of. Liquidity oh, damn, there's too much. Because now I'm like, liquidity sweeps. You know, fair value gaps. Order blocks. There's a lot. Ducks have thick skin, Rip will be fine. Do they? When last did you eat duck? No. Like, she's treating you bad now. She's doing this. Oh my gosh. Go have fun. Hey, I got a trade in. Yeah, you missed the trade. And I'm joking. How you doing? Right, any recommendations? I don't know where to start. Well, Print, you know what? For a start, here we go. You can join. I don't know if you have Discord, but you're more than welcome to join the Discord. There's a bunch of training videos on the Discord as well. And an amazing community that you can ask a bunch of questions to. Oh, greatness. Okay, I see. Your recommendations. Yo, Southpaw, tell him to be nice. I'm so sorry. Is discipline a big thing in trading? Yes, Dr. H. I think discipline is nearly the main thing. No, yes, it is. And knowing your strategy and the criteria so you execute it correctly. So again, there's the discipline. You have to wait for that setup. Yeah, she just likes, oh, great. Right. Dr. H, do I use order flow? Not really. Sorry. So I'm gonna have to go and have a bit more of a... I don't want to say a read up of it, because that sounds bad, but yeah. Reading books about trading is a waste of time when you can backpass. And she never visits us. I mean, Mudcrab, do you wanna pay for the flight? Because that do be expensive, I'm just saying. That do be very expensive. If you're gonna pay- no, wait. Jordy, this is how I get kidnapped again, isn't it? I was gonna say, if you're gonna pay for the flight, I will be there, but this does sound like a kidnapping situation. To get a strong start to learning. Yep. I'm sorry, okay. Again, Rip is not letting me know about the timeout thing. I will put myself in a timeout if that makes you feel better. No? Yes, maybe. Every trader is trading indicator now. Are you in the same club? Dr. H? No, not really. I don't think so. I literally have... I have my Bob levels, but apart from that I have VWAP up, and I mark out the first presented fair value gap, the 9:30 AM range. NWOG is up. That's kind of it with indicators. I know it bothers quite a few people that I don't have lots of indicators up. Focus on learning how charts work, not beat the trend. That's what my Discord's for. Hey, my crab. Anyways, yeah, be a good girl and go and time out for 3 minutes. 3 minutes? Excuse me. Hey, Trader Suraj, how's it going? So we can get peace and quiet. Wow. You figured it out on your own. Thanks, Jody. Yeah. Paying for the flight is no problem. Whether or not you get kidnapped, Maya, depends on how much you're in the green. I guess. Huh. You see now. Trader Siraj, no, I'm not married. Indicators make a chart a mess and make it confusing. Simplicity is where it's at. See, a lot of people would disagree with you, I'm just saying. A lot of people would agree with you. This is the thing with trading. There's not one way that's correct. There's multiple ways that are correct. And one way works amazing for some people, like Thomas. Thomas, amazing trader. His chart looks like a Christmas tree. Luckily for him, it's December, so it's allowed. It's Christmas tree time. I look at it and I get overwhelmed. And then there's some people, boom, has like no indicators at all. I look at it and go, wow, this is clean as hell. It's about to test that support resistance line you have. Ooh, interesting so far. Okay, are you gonna get into a trade? I might long ears here. Quick stop. Nice. It's not that bad. It's messy but beautiful. Like a Christmas tree. Christmas trees are messy but beautiful. Well, it depends. I think some people's Christmas trees are like perfect. Mine's not. I don't really have one up. But point is, mine is not. Hey Anthony, thank you. So sweet. Indicators are scams. Damn, boom. Strong word, fighting words there. Listen here, Rip. I have offered to put myself on a timeout like 5 times. I have offered like 5 times to repent for my sins. No indicator required. Robocade? So what do you use? Or, you know, yeah, what's your signal, if you will? Here we go. I wonder if it's going to go back up to this level. I'm kind of curious now. Let's see what happens. I'm probably not going to take another trade today. Just putting it out there. Made up for what I lost. I'm up 1 hour for the day. That doesn't sound great, but slowly but surely we're getting there. If you want me to take care of the problem. Boom, what you gonna do? This sounds very Hitman-ish. I'm a little bit scared. Okay, very, very true. Most people here trade. Yep. I met one lad the other day in here that trades extremely similar. It's different for everyone. Very much a trust your gut and instincts game. It's not, well, yeah. It's not even that. I think different strategies work for different people and personalities. And again, what works for one person won't necessarily work for another person. It doesn't mean that person's incorrect or that one's incorrect. It just means that one makes logical sense to one person and that one makes logical sense, you know. It just works out. I'm giving you 24 hours to realize the error of your ways and beg for forgiveness and make it good. Rip is so sexy! I feel like we sweep and make a new low. Right? Thomas, I'm inclined to agree with you. I still think it wants to go down a little bit further. Again, if I had Let's pretend this was my stop loss. If I had a trailing stop loss and I left it here, it still wouldn't have been hit. Or would I have moved it? See, I may have moved it to go to the new, which means it would have been hit. Never mind. I probably would have been taken out at a higher level. So, nah, it's fine. Sorry, my hair's now a mess because I did indeed jump in the pool. Maybe mistakes were made, but it is what it is. Change of character and break of structure. Provocate. Interesting. Okay. Okay, kind of interesting. So you kind of do breakouts? Hey David, what's up? How to take entries with TP is my issue. What do you mean? What do I consider to take entries? What would you like to do? Wow, absolutely. And everyone learns through their own losses. So great, you have a different scale for everyone and everyone is on a different path. Literally, I know some people that enjoy my 50% entry level. Some people hate it. It is what it is. There we go. Provocate, nicely in profit. Are you nicely in profit? Yeah, Ripper's pretty hurt. Your feelings are valid. Aha! Boop. I'm on for 2 more minutes. But I'm probably gonna call it there for today, guys. That was lots of fun. A little bit disappointed in myself for not taking the setup here. I should have. I should have trusted myself and my strategy. I'm glad I trusted myself and my strategy with this one. At least. At least. You know, again, one step at a time. ES is slowly starting to climb. Just saying. ES looks like it's slowly starting to climb back up now. D, you have the best trading view name on the what? Okay. Hey, T's. I'm going to call you T. What's up? My strategy, I have my own little strategy. I guess it's a GAN box. And it uses market auction theory. So top of the range, bottom of the range. It's almost stupid simple, but it has a 64% win rate now, which is, it's good. And it's a 1 to 2 hour strategy. 50% is entry, the 0.2 is where stop loss is, and 2 hour down is TP, which is, yeah, is awesome. Go have fun. I did. I had a win, which is awesome. I had a win. Daniel thinks she'll let you crack. What? What do you mean by that? Washed athlete, do I want to know? I probably don't want to know, do I? Probably not. Anyways, that's precisely why I prefer talking to people who understand the concept of delicate feelings. I understand. I'm sorry. Damn. Lucky ducks are sensitive. I forgot that. My bad. My bad. Lesson learned. I'll be nice to the lucky duck. Okay. I'm sorry for being a silly goose. Yes? No. Maybe. Maybe. If I run... Oh. Okie dokie. Moving on. Hey, Green Globe Explorations. Well, I'm in the green, so whoop whoop. A few people had whoop whoops. Exactly, Thomasy. We lads are with you, men have feelings too. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh. Boom was wrong. Boom's upset now. What did I do? What did I do? Oh my gosh. And now Boom Banana's calling everyone wimps. Didn't we just say that men have feelings and that you should be nice to everyone? Right? The way he spoke to me was, well, let's just say my phone felt the urge to throw itself into a fountain. I'm truly disappointed. I'm so sorry. That's even worse. I didn't make Rip mad. I made him disappointed. That is definitely worse. I'm very, very sorry. I humbly apologize. Nope, I can't say that on a live stream. That would have been bad. I was gonna say, do you want me to... Nope. I can't even say it because I know what people are gonna say. Okay, I'm gonna call it there. So I stepped away to take a tray of my computer and I left my iPad behind, took some profit. Whoop whoop, hey Southpaw, amazing! Damn. Everyone got super sassy today. I'm gonna call it there before I apparently put my foot in it anymore. Moving on. You guys. Oh, wow, Rip. Listen, here's Sassy Pants. Okay. I'm gonna call it there. Because apparently I'm putting my foot in it. My bad. I love you guys madly. Rip, I hope you're joking with me. Or else I'm gonna send you a very heartfelt apology as soon as I get off the live. I'm just saying. Okay. Again, I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Please don't forget to like the stream if you had a whoop whoop day. Whoop whoop to everyone. If you're in the red, remember it's never a loss, it's always a lesson. Okay. So it's fine. I had a lesson earlier today. Luckily, I've ended with a little bit of green, so that's fun. Okay, you guys are amazing. Again, thank you. If you want to show even more support and love and you want to use my code, it's TeachMaya for any of the prop firms in my description below. Yeah, all the love and support would be much appreciated. Again, you guys are awesome. I will then see you hopefully tomorrow. I'll be back. London and New York session. We've got this. It's going to be awesome. Yeah, again, this community is amazing. I can't express enough how much you guys really mean to me and help me. Rip, I'm looking at you. Am I forgiven? You're amazing. Love you. Okay. I love you guys madly. I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, for London Open. Or later today, depending on where you are. Okay. I love you guys. Bye.